In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from RCBC Online to GCash 2025. First, launch the RCBC digital app on your phone. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and that your app is up to date so all the latest transfer options are available. Next, log into your account using your secure credentials. If you're using biometrics, that's a quick way to get in safely. Always keep your login details private and avoid signing in on public Wi-Fi for security. Once you're in, go to transfer funds, then choose to other banks and select InstaPay. InstaPay processes transfers in real time, which is why the money arrives almost immediately in GCash. There may be a small service fee and limits can apply, so it helps to have your available balance and any daily transfer caps in mind before you proceed. On the list of destination banks and wallets, choose GCash, which appears as GExchange Inc. Selecting the correct label ensures the transfer routes to the right mobile wallet. Now enter the GCash registered mobile number of the recipient and the amount you'd like to send. Type carefully and double check the number. A single digit off can send funds to the wrong wallet. If your recipient's GCash has a wallet limit, make sure the amount you're sending won't exceed it. You can also add a short note or purpose if the app provides a remarks field, which makes tracking easier later. Review the transfer details on the summary screen. Confirm the destination is GCash, verify the mobile number and amount, and check any fees shown. Some apps will display the recipient's name based on the mobile number. Use that as an extra confirmation. If everything looks correct, tap send to proceed. For security, you'll receive a one-time password on your registered mobile device. Enter the OTP exactly as shown, and remember, never share this code with anyone. It's there to protect your account and authorize the transaction. That's it, your transfer is complete. With InstaPay, funds typically show up in GCash right away. You should see a confirmation screen and, in many cases, an email or in-app receipt. Save or screenshot the reference numbers so you can track the transaction if you need to. If the money doesn't appear instantly, refresh the GCash app, check your RCBC transaction history, and give it a minute or two. Occasional network traffic can cause short delays. You've just learned the fastest way to move money from RCBC to GCash in 2025. Follow these steps each time, review carefully before sending, and you'll transfer with confidence.